Hello guys, in this session I am going to demonstrate structure pointer in C language. So let us start with C program. With the help of C program we are going to see structure pointer concept. Okay, so let us define structure first. Keyword, then structure name, then starting curly brace, and then members. So I am taking three members: roll number, average, and name of student. Then array size. So see, this is structure definition. Okay, now I am declaring structure variable. Okay, now read values of structure: roll number, avg, and name of student from user. Scanf. So I am using runtime initialization. So %d, then %f, %s. So this is depending upon the type of structure members. Then and structure variable name yes dot member name comma and yes dot avg comma yes dot name. So this will read these three values from user: roll number, average, and name of student. Okay, and then you can print these values. So first %d, suppose /t, %f, then /t, %s. Okay, then yes dot roll number, yes dot avg comma yes dot name. Getting? So let us first run this program, save, compile, and then run this. So give roll number 12, suppose our age is 56.70, and then name is ABC. So you got your output. Now see, this is simple C program for defining structure student with three members: roll number, avg, and name. Then we have declared one structure variable. Then we have read those values of structure student from user and we have displayed. Now in this program we are going to use structure pointer for printing these values. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will create one structure pointer student and star s1. So see, structure pointer declaration. Now let us see the diagrammatical representation of this program. So consider this is my yes. Consider these are the values. I'll take same value and then your a b c d. Okay, so consider this is my structure variable. This is what? This is roll number, then this is average, and this is third member is name. This is definitely, it is an array. Okay, so this whole one is, this is my student structure. This is what? This is student structure, and this yes is one of the member, one of the variable of the student structure. Now after that I have created yes1 pointer. Getting? So let us create yes1 pointer. So this is yes1 pointer. This is yes1 pointer. Getting? So initially it will have garbage value. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to initialize this yes1 pointer by assigning the address of yes structure variable. See, I have initialized this yes1 pointer by assigning the address of yes structure variable. Getting? So let us consider some addresses over here. So consider the address of this is 1000. So as this is integer, so it will take 4 bytes. Next, start from 1004. Again it will take 4 bytes, and then next address will be 1012. Getting? And then it will take 10 bytes. Okay. So see here, address of yes means the address of yes dot roll number. So 1000 is address of this particular block, but to refer this block we are using yes dot roll number. We are using yes dot roll number. To refer this second block we are using yes dot average, and to refer third block we are using yes dot name. Getting? So 1000 is address of yes dot roll number, 1004 is address of yes dot avg, 1012 is address of yes dot name of 0. Getting? Or yes dot name. Okay, so we are assigning this address 1000 inside s1. So let us store that 1000. So your s1 is pointing to this okay, this block. So you can directly access this value, or in other word, as that is base address of this, it is pointing to yes. S1 is pointing to yes. So to access these values 12, 56.7 and ABC CD, you can easily access those values by using arrow operator. So how to print those values, that we'll see. So as we are going to print 3 values, pointer name and then arrow operator and then member name, comma, pointer name, then arrow operator and then member name, pointer name, arrow operator and member name. So this is simple one. So whenever you are accessing the member values with the help of structure pointer, then use arrow operator. Whenever you want to access the values of these members with the help of pointer, then use arrow operator. Getting? And if you want to access values of member with the help of simple structure variable, then use dot operator. Getting? So let us see the output. So you should get the same output. See, you are getting the same output. Getting? So this is the demonstration of structure pointer. Okay.